This is the washer. That's the drawer. And we're going to change the filter in the water. Take the cover off. Pull the hose out.
Do we take the thing off first? Or no, we did it last,
Empty the water first.
Empty the water first, okay.
Very foul smelling
Hold on,
water.
I have to take it off this way.
You uncap the hose by holding it up. You spill a little bit. Typically fills the cup about 3/4 of the way up. I can smell it in the room already, and I'm decently far away.
Okay, gotta pour that one out.
Okay. You have to take it. It smells horrible. More water to come out. They don't make them easy. So it's a total of about one of these large cups.
There's more. We have an issue.
Huh?
Can't find the lid I took off there.
Yeah, that is an issue.
Okay, I think we're at the end. Okay, that's it. I find the lid might be the other. Check this.
One more.
Huh?
And you cap it. And you put it back in. And you take out the filter. Here's one. And you pick out the stinky hair and fibers from your clothing. The room smells horrible. Like a drained abscess. It smells horrible. I have to clean up this water right here that's spilled. Put the filter back in and return it so that it's nice and snug. you go ahead and you wipe up anything that's spilled because it smells horrible on the floor in front of it. Try to wipe down there a little bit more. Keep going to your right, which is dirty. Okay, so now it's technically, that area is clean, and now's when we put
Hold on, I gotta put the lid back on.
the fresh in there and run a load. And we put the lid, excuse me, the cover back on to match the teeth up at the bottom. And you close it. And then getting the fresh out. Pop it in there. Clean tub. Clean tub. And that'll run for about an hour and a half with hot water. And then we'll open the door up and clean the door with some sort of a vinegar water solution. Get any soap scum off of there. And it's good for about 90 days.